In summer, the ermine has a brown coat with a white belly, but in winter it turns completely white, except for the black tip of its tail. It lives across most of Eurasia and North America, and can survive in temperatures below -40 degrees Fahrenheit. An ermine weighs only 0.3 to 0.8 pounds, yet it can take down a rabbit up to 10 times its size. It can sprint up to 12 miles per hour and leap almost a full meter forward. This little hunter can squeeze through holes as small as a pencil, swim across streams, and even climb trees with ease. In the wild, an ermine lives only 1 to 2 years, but it's a true symbol of cleverness, agility, and purity, and in heraldry, it represents nobility. Thanks for watching. Protect nature.